In this video, we're going to be having a look at Terra Luna Classic right now, currently making a breakout from this resistance right here. The question is are we going to reach my target sitting at 54, 55 right here? Or are we going to come back and correct? In this video, guys, we're obviously going to be having a look at Terra Luna Classic reaching 1 million people on the watch list. So if you guys are on CoinMarketCap and have an account, make sure you hit that favorite button and let's take Terra Luna Classic to the moon. And as you guys can see right here, Terra Classic is ranked 26. So remember yesterday in my video how I said it was not ranked 207 and really ranked in the top 30, top 20. And this is exactly what it is right now. Terra Luna Classic up 39%. Traded at 3335168, market cap of $3.1 billion, volume is 24%, $2.8 billion, guys. That is absolutely insane. And of course, guys, Terra Luna will be dealing the 1.2% tax burden, but what a lot of you guys don't know is that it won't be implemented yet. It will only be implemented once Terra Luna Classic Lunc will put it on chain and off chain. So as of right now, it won't happen until September 12th or the 11th. Everything is staying clean. And of course, if you guys want to trade Terra Luna Classic, make sure you use my link in the description below. And of course, guys, if you like this daily content on Terra Luna Lunc and you want me to keep updating, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bells on, leave a like on, and let's get straight to business, starting off with Terra Luna Classic. So of course, guys, if you remember in my YouTube post a couple days ago or even a day ago, I said Terra Luna Classic is in a bull flag, okay, and that we potentially can see a massive explosion. And this was the bull pattern right here, and this is exactly what is happening right now. And if you guys know, I posted this right here approximately, and I took the signal right here. So if you guys are in my Telegram signal group, I mentioned that this would be a perfect long, and that we were gonna essentially explode if we break out of this region, and of course if we close above it. And then what happened after? We came up, consolidated a little bit at the resistance right here, made a nice little horizontal triangle, pop back up. What happened after? We came back, retested. Now we know, guys, after a breakout, we usually come back and retest levels, right? Support levels. So we came back, retested, and then pop back up. And of course, guys, if you look at the exponential moving average on the 1 hour time frame, sorry, this is the 1 hour time frame. Beautiful retest. I mean, we've been retesting these EMA ribbons all day long, and of course on the 4 hour they look even better. Look at that. Once we hit it on the 4 hour, we took off. Right here again, we hit it on the 4 hour, we took off. Another time we hit it on the 4 hour, took off. Another time right here. Now these pumps might seem small to you, these ones right here, but they're actually not so crazy. Look at that, 40% pump. This was a 40% pump right here. So every time we hit these EMA ribbons, we fly. 105%. Look at this, boom, 70%. Another one. So these EMA ribbons, guys, have been so accurate on Terra Luna Classic, and Terra Luna has absolutely doesn't give a shit what, sorry, excuse my French, but doesn't give a shit what Bitcoin's doing, guys. Bitcoin can be dumping, Bitcoin can be pumping. Yes, we saw this correction right here on Bitcoin right here. This was Terra Luna coming back down, but of course Terra Luna had to come back down and retest. There's nothing wrong about that. And of course, guys, having a look at the RSI, nothing too crazy, but if we have a look even at the stochastic RSI, that's what's even better. If you guys remember my video yesterday, I mentioned that we were flipping, that Luna Classic was flipping, the blue was flipping over the orange, and this is exactly what is happening right now. We flipped over the orange and we essentially just took off, and now we're just consolidating. The question is, are we going to continue going up? In my opinion, yes. I think we're going to reach my target at 5.5, guys. Not financial advice. If you're not in my paid Telegram signal group, I would not recommend going in now because it's probably too late now. The risk is not so good anymore. If you go to 5.5, that's a 7% risk compared to what I said back then right here when I give the signal. Okay, that is a 54% burn. Now, most of my trades are up to 3x. So if you would have done that, you would have been up 150% in under 24 hours. So yes, guys, in my trading signal, you do and are able to essentially make money, and that's about it. So this is my quick update on Terra Luna Classic. I do want to have a look at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is sort of king for all the other altcoins. It's up to you if you want to stay or not for this video, for the rest of the video, but let's have a look. Bitcoin does have a nice little resistance right here, as you guys can see. This was a strong support. We were consolidating here for quite some time after this dump, just consolidating. This was this nice little triangle I was talking about in my last video on all the altcoins. Of course, we broke down. How do we do that? Well, we took it from the top to the bottom, boom, went like this to the breakout, it met exactly our target right here, sitting at 18,557. Boom, we took it. The question is are we going to reverse for Bitcoin? Was this just a relief bounce? Are we going to continue towards the downside? Well, my target for Bitcoin in the near future, or of course in the bear market, is anywhere between $9,000 to $12,000. Of course, Luna is not really related to the altcoins. We know when Bitcoin dumps, altcoin dumps. I don't know if you guys can see on the right side of my screen, but altcoins are mostly in red, and that is completely okay. And of course, if we have a look at the exponential moving average, guys, on Bitcoin right here, we are nearing this resistance right here. So we know what happens, guys. We know when we're below it, it's bearish. When we're above it, it's bullish, right? So the same thing is like Luna, right? You could be shorting Bitcoin right now pretty much, put a stop loss right here above the EMA ribbon at 19,800. Boom, you got a trade. So this is how good these EMA ribbons are. Of course, you have to encounter trading patterns, signals, and whatnot. But this is exactly what is happening right now. Just a quick update on Bitcoin and the market. I think we're going to come back down, maybe consolidate a little bit more before coming back down. But this is about it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that like, leave a comment, leave a like, hit me up in Telegram, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video later today.